Empumbo kode. Yeah, the radiasi. Yes, so yahu ye pa. Na me pacho uti nkoma na ekosi. Basic preliminary ewo ho anything.
Okay, they can match ya atiefo nyina. Match ya mo ha nyina so na match ya otumfo say tutu.
Okay.
The mechanic say Ghana mremo no. Wo hwe your constitution ya emra kese no a. E fa ba bia e fe no I think section article 243.
Okay.
And the Local Governance Act, and also some say passed in 2016. Section 20, oh baby.
Okay.
And one of this out to me in my district assembly for no. Say a dream maybe not so movie say be a MC and I say mayor or and I say be a Nhyira. You may be. And then maybe in consider more to me so more passes a vote of no confidence.
Okay.
Okay, assembly gumana. He say nkronke to mo na say e ba chichem say be a district assembly bia no mpuntu obetimi akohonum na adwuma no ye adwuma unsa woni nipa na ye nti osa woni stakeholders ni nyina no try say obetimi
engage
o mo say da bia bibia wo ye bia no omo nso so obetimi akọ in good terms so na mra na kire say omo to aba no a o say to test and a vote for
this echemiensa emu mienu
this nipa na 30 o say mu 20 etimi a vote say ya pene so say yenyi nipa na say ma yenyi no
okay
and enye no nko a e will proceed ya also mu follow
all right
us assembly bia wo no standing orders this is parliament more standing orders
right
inti no petition ne ba na ade no a also mo notice in accordance with the standing orders of the assembly. Now we follow all the steps and processes are standing orders in him. Say omo comply with all these even if they do the vote, we bet injunction.
That's right. That's right.
Which will not have effect. But say omo to abano say the kind say the say so omo anya to test and one. Not just a vote na
uncle baby
this any part that no munya nantin kura
emfa
mami munya nya dia na e was president no ezisa MC no
kwa bia so
but obetimi asa abo no ani din bio
oh okay
but only say
usam komo because so
not just say
abuto yemba
ka we ni nyina no ye den
eba
this say ye be you no see you know there nyina numbers no so
okay
numbers no mbeto aba no
okay.
This assembly so no 1/3 they are appointed by the president
yeah
inti say about to say mutimi nya 1/2 no there na che say enema no mo ka no emu ya serious akasa because ono akasa the party ya NDC ya 1/3 no mo so beat me vote to
tell dia
there's
a what's in the mood. Okay, well, let me say, Mr. Samalado Otoo Esquire, private legal practitioner. Papa, wabini wa mremu pa. Ebana se eye sikasemo ntoto enso so a. Eno so ntimi nso ne mukra. Eno tara pay papa e ma wakwa babiem na eno budget media budget hearing e course. Medical the amount say who ni say because the minority describing say uninspiring and empty. Even though one MP akase only who say obi kase empty onye ntum dia but say na we see hu no
no kra ni say wo hwe media budget budget review enye ade fufuro
okay
Ghana mremo no hwe article 179 na wo hwe ye Public Financial Management Act no section 28 eno ene hye finance minister say ye be begin ye be sha finance no wo de budget budget na oba no kire kwan ya obefa so obenya sika wo san so kire ye sika na obenya no dwuma die sei e na wo de beye now ya twa busumi no mu busumi edum ye twa mu nsia
yes
nti brara be bu akonta na ye hwe se sika na wo ye se obenya no busumi nsia no watimi anya emu fa no a na wo se nka won saka na watra
okay
na wantimi anya de nti na wantimi anya so wutimi nya soso na se bro so a e de na ma wutimi nya ma na bro so e sika no so obunya no dwuma de be na wo de de wutimi edidi ye na se bati se bia wo anya ma na mbro so a ana se wantimi anya de opa e horo na wo hwe mpre bebre no ya na o masa de additional taxes aye den aba na nso nya ma ne bro so na office kana wanya na bro so dia no so betimi atete taxes ne so na che so man ba no a anka se be omomo tuatua taxes na omde aboa ma oman na koso no mo so ho ha mo kakra aha enti media budget no se be nya de a eye fresh budget a whatever okay the whatever January no e no obebu ho akonta
okay
no ba kire se ye koye nim no so ni da so wo ho ana
okay
so wo hwe before aban baba power na bibi ti say inflation Nhyira yeah 2024 kwa December na ba bedru be 23
yeah
bibi ti say yeah exchange rate ekoya kodru be 17 cedis no aban yi ba ye no watimi aya ma yesem fanse number
12 thereabout
11 cedis fuel prices ne enema eka ho nyina no sabi nyuma ahodo e wo man mu no small businesses na wo kwaje bosia wo banka na interest rate number 30%. Omo ana omo import nyema na obi wo ho no mo woton ade na no da kwasesa dollar because
o da kosie
because dollar no krampo na number 17 upe bia wo besan ye den abre the time wo here scan dia kwa broche no na won sanka na just wo bre what I say na enema bebre o man mu ana sebe na prices na nkrofo ko tu no in dollars say ya see the ni be stable no ya aban no nso so ahye se enema ye contractor ye man na adwumadia ye die nyina no ye nkotu no nyina in cities no sa enema no nyina me fi say abafom
okay
in addition to that no person be say sa gold board project o me dey buy this year nko no so far what manya almost about $15 billion
wow
a free gold nko ya eno no twemu no a aban no hyehyɛ sɛ one large mining firms and small scale mining firms no gold no mutu no percentage bi how also mo de ma aban ya no na aban regional so they build a reserve and also bebu ho akonta ne fɛ sɛ ne ma na wo hyehyɛ ne nyina no sɛ na esiko aban no ba power no na ye foreign reserve na sɛbe sika ye de ato ho no mo ye dollars dodo na ye dollars a ye de kofa ne ma abruchi no na ya run 3 months sɛ ba te sɛ bi ye nyeska bi abio kra na ye betimi de ato ne ma abruchi na bro so ana ye 3 months aban yi ba ye no hye sɛ by 2028 no ya term ne be kono pɛ sɛ ye timi nya sika ye betimi de import ne ma 15 months nti ye wo sɛ ye bɛhwɛ sɛ saa mre no ya 2026 no sɛ ne ye timi akwa koduru sɛ na atofo sen ba no wabenya hu ne sɛ ne ye na almost 6 months ya wo hwɛ sɛ by December no ebetimi anya be 8 months
okay
aje say by 2028 ye kwaye ni so wo hwɛ ekwan a aban fa so nya sika taxes na bosia aban beje na grant ni ada nkrofo nso de be nti sɛ aban kwaje bosia oje taxes na wa nya bia oje bosia no ye de oje so ana se bia obi ono wo sika country bi ono wo sika do so me becha wo we fa kan wo sika ona fa ye wadwuma na aban nso nya sika na enema a wode ye eye so wode bi yi akwan wode bi hwe school nsem wode bi atu adwuma ye foka ne ebi nso ebeka no wode aye den wode atua bibia interest a wo bosia a woje ye ho na empem bebre no ye bibia e friend say primary balance na ye te say sika na wanya ne nyina no se wo yi say interest ya wo bosia ho a wo betua ne nyama ya sika no say na itimi bo oman na nkasa bra
okay
na say na kaya enka ba te say bia ye kotua ye interest a ibetimi de atua no ya hyehyɛ mra wo ho a kyerɛ sɛ afibia no wo sɛ aban no etimi make sure say the primary balance no be around 1.5%.
okay
na kyerɛ sɛ sika ye nyaayɛ no yetimi edi boy ho bra kakra betimi aka ye betimi de atua interest a ye kokotua the whole year no this year na ban no set say nka obenya 1.5 no barasa June no wonya 2.2
okay
na kyerɛ sɛ ɛhɔ no no na majority no asem wo kan say projects bebre ho no na was aban ya
wanye there's a government spending this kind of daho
eno nti na scan bi wonya sa primary balance okay na so wo hwɛ mu a ye nyina hunu say aban ne the project akase bebre yesi na ni so ya wo ye sisi America say no about 87 major road project under big push na aban no ya sika wotwa e de ato sa ne ma no no enye sika keto akra Kumasi road nkwa no about 1.7 billion abanya twade ato hɔ so the express road about 176 kilometers yeah as at now no about half or more than 100 kilometers there military for no atimi aka visa yi na wie so awo san so hwɛ bi to say 24 hour economy so and in addition to that no major marketer aban no ACC or every district ya na nkonfo bisa say market na aban ACC nya de na ode ba be wo hwɛ to say China omo industrialization omo started from kronketron
okay
do omo ye ns be bia ye afuo ni produce bibia bia no aban ne be empower the local people no na omo ankasa hu no kwan ya obetimi afa so na enuaba na omo no betimi preserve what does it na nya to say obia de na de e factory kase mu
okay
ni mo within the local community no you betimi afa kwan bi so na ya timi process ye niema no na ya store na ya preserve ama na che
okay
intino sa most of the market na buy NCC no one the edika no there will be a banking hall in only of this market no say aban so person ya women development
yes
bank market nso so a e ma menom na enu amarom na do so ho ntino no so no some market no there will be a place there for banking activities. In addition to that no you benya storage facilities are cold rooms ne ene ma kekeka ho ya sebi obi a wo bibia office o de to fia be se no obetimi akọ ho no akotu eska kakra na wo de sa wo ne ma na gu ho no mo na sebi anka ense
okay
na yeso da akọ fridge mu ho ni nyina no ye ne ma aban no ehihye ho no mo a ebetimi nsuso ayeden aboa so wo hwa normally nka media review no ministers ni bebre no mokwa omusu zika na wode ma no parliament ma na yeden anso the parliament ma ye binka ho and so we had this particular media review na aban no minister ne call parliament wa museska fufuro bia na chi says kana ye de ma na dada no ano wo se wa manage in such a way say bebre san wo ho no mo a busumi no mo na sense ya kansa na afene beso no ebetimi asan aba o man no ho bra ni mo monokra no wasan so de adwuma fufuro ba beka ho ya nka skana ya demand na first wa musa fufuro no de demand no no wasan de akwa adwuma fufuro ya wo hwe bibi ti say disaster here see wa kra ya
flood
by about 500 to 550 million what me year free skana ya demand mu no esan de akwa ye sane mo akwa de drainage systems be on about 550 million wasan so nya 400 million or they acquire deposit for the Women's Development Bank. And then you might hold over break and one. Sikani a demand that and one, or they acquire sudden. In this, I share say target a bino setting at the beginning of the year. Say a Benya GDP growth of 4.8.
Yes.
Now, as at now, even first quarter, when it may achieve 6.4%. And I just say, a bino a there. So, share the external reserves. Na target for the year no you say bit much more than 3%. Na you see enya more than 5 for yoko sesa. Na che say aban no aya there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sisi ya na ewo mu no foundation no ayes good. E bitimi agina so na yedimi a transform economy no.
Okay.
Ama na be ya obi biara ho betuma to no. Ya go nya so obi abedu kwan so wo yede. Okwa bruchiri.
Okay.
See it me continue see for the next 10 years and I say for the next 20 years
future near bright.
Yeah, the future is very very bright because our share country be to say China 1979 no na your economy na far better than China in 1979
right
yes eniema miensa be to say agro processing kokesi me for industrialization and financial support and this power say electricity money ade no ebetimi ebo no betimi aba fom na obi a wo ye adwuma bia no sebe the electricity bill a wo tua no ebeden ebekọ fom
okay okay
na at the same time no so no access to finance o hwa ade aban aye pa before say ema businesses aba ye de pa first no na aban treasury bill na you almost 30% and this aban no aye say na risk wo fom no ono no ujebosia from mine ho na was so ready so betu 30% wo wan krankra na wuti no I mean wo kwa so to about 50% because no bank will give their money to you.
Yes,
but now no ya buy no ujebosia treasury bill wo to 5.7 no at least say wo ko bank na wo ka so betu 10 kra na che say bank de benya mfa so bebre nti na wo hwe most of the interest banks ni bebre no charge no abafom 30% range, you know, about between 10 to 15%. Ebi mo kura mpo no asabe companies akese a omo mfeso so no kura de omo betimi kura negotiate by 7-8%. Omo betimi atwetwa kama enti no first na nanka aban na agi banking sector na fa no se ni ho sa bi se no private sector ena se take lead ya finance minister on Bank of Ghana say sa ni ma we nyina na betimi agina ho no na ama o man nko so no ni mpuntu na ide akoso ufie mu nsusu a eso omo ya agro processing no budget ni mo ya agro process bibi say omo produce fruit nsi enu aba no bebre no eso na ebere a na apro nti enu no say no aban no aye say taxes a saa omo be nko into agro processing dia produce fruit ni ade nyina no na nko mo tua 20% aban so aye dey wetwam eye VAT nanka January ho nanka total VAT obetua no eye about 21.9%. So also at so about 20%. So wo hwa every year bia no you say enuaba akuafo ye no de essay ya yentimi nton nya ho mfaso bia over $2 billion. Over $2 billion. In this year timi boa na sesa agro processing companies we nyina no nkrofo private sector ye interested no mo ko invest wo ho no mo a obohu sesa sa niema essay ewo yenkurase because o man timi amfa makrum omo de baaye no ya anton ntem nti omo nyina bobo kare nyina no ni nyina nso eden e be free ho wo hwe taxes a beginning of the year ban ni twetwa mu preserve betting tax ene sa ne manema ni nyina na wo twetwa mu nyina no ba bi ho no man ka sa amre no nka beka se sign dia ba bio dey be a package in a different way na nka sa dia bre o man ba no na so sa ne mani nyina no covid live ni ho anwa na ni ma nyina ya eden e twam e mo ba bi ti se gold wa eyeye sika na sebe na abrofo aba omutu na companies kase ye na ho no e na aban no e increase omu tasa no mutwa be 1% or dey akobe 3%. And at the same time no initially no say na gold board start here na aban ni large mining firms there so mo 20% of gold omu produce but they say no we must negotiate omu dey akọ 30%. Large companies no gold omu produce nyina mo be 30% there e san ba be boa ama gold board sikana onya de boa o man no e san ba be kosoro na ade a esan ye de wo mukura na ye say anka se previous government ye bibi de say DDP
yes
yeah na ma ka beberebe da ho no emu fa na e be so 2027 and 2020 aban ne say won twen ma na nso ansa na wakopeska na so be to creative be a friend second fund
okay
yeah sa second fund this year ka say no be 15 billion there aban the atom because between 2027 and 2028 no total sinking fund payment in fact the DDP ne both local and international was about no about 111 to 120 billion no abaya shasia warfare because next year no also mutua by 58 billion.
Wow.
Yeah, as at now what menya 15 by December no the project is on between about 30 billion. Then next year no timnya about 28 so na chesa abaya net meeting the obligations.
Good.
Intinya dia sika no sebe eba no aban no ye na basa aban na sign introduce be a commitment authorization.
Okay.
Yes, our commitment authorization no e make sure say ministry bia na say department bia na say agency bia no a wo sha aban ase asebe we ji sika free man for ma ho na so obo man for ho bra no sika bia wo ye bia no wa wontimi mfa wo pe enka say wo spend this ka no ya wo say wo de ba e ma aban ne hwe say ade na wo pese wo ye no eno no ne Ghana fo ene so ade hu no a edi kan e wo man mu asebe ade mpuntu bebre
okay
ansa ne ajatum ndo ma create bibi e fe no money value for money office.
Okay.
Yeah, project bia na say expenditure bia person ye bia no so de call mo wodete. Emi ye pese se samre no. Me fan say de to say bia Nhyira FM na wo say wo pese okoto computer, wo pese wo to phone, wo pese wo to table, wo pese wo ye duane ma workers a.
Yeah.
Na eno no ye de ba pese. Se sika ye 1000. Which of these items?
And it was
important.
Yes.
I was here when ye.
Yeah.
And dear ma o kwama wa o mfa open na ha.
Ngoto to be open bia.
Ngoto de open bia. No do ho mo to produce bia or the same. Cocoa board so produce sacks dey for bia 15 years.
Yes.
Na wa produce go on mo sa. Yeah, em fa so bia mro man.
Sure.
And they say ye hwe so mining nyina no bibia ye bia no. say if you say Love FM ni Nhyira wa hai say Love FM dey na most important there yeah ebebo ama adwuma na koswa wo yebma more fans yebma approval who scandal but ye ma kwa ma won spend in anyhow what does it and no na abo ama won say won take scandal bia say we are say because bia na nsa na obeye no oso ko na audit na ehunu say emfa so obey na debre o man no
okay
kwa be na efa so ama sa expenditure na contribute to the overall development of the country
okay
what does it get me yes ani ma we nyina no wi a eno na beboa so we share in addition to that one say interest rate above from aban no so san pese education yen so a bit my den agina abrane
all right
nti you share ya some baba sisi additional secondary schools or some of the districts in Libya secondary schools in den apart from that no so no yenu anom ne ye manom mo ko school mo so no allowance ne ma de mo no so no aban no wa den or heso we twetu ne nyina free SHS a ye ba beto ye no eno so na ba na hyemu kena ya schools ahodo a sebe omo run shift nyina na ye fese by next year no ye be face sa double track systems no to ma starting so a omo build the dormitories ne lecture halls ne ma bibra e betimi aboa e ma oman no so atimi ayden akoso national apprenticeship program ene de ka ho nyina no aban no edisika awuramu a ne nyina no ede mpuntuo eba na bebre oman na obia akoso nti the message Ghana for ne say obia omo a school for omo wi omo nya adwuma nya ne ade nyina no obia identify business area bi office ono ankasa betima take advantage na ade ba ko a wase ehwe ne say betima di nokure so unya one customer na wudi nokure ma na ono be di wo ho adanse ama afoforo nso ayden aba way mu
okay
unhia capital na dey start business
okay
die
okay
because assuming say obusu ni bi ni mo bi o workshop na wo call sisi na so mfa ne ma mienu ema ana wa nkwaji ne ma no kwa na de wo na mo customers ma so ni nipa na be kasa say o mame me pese wo ne mai me ha say na me marketing no around nto bi so ope bi ma be jakwa koma no na wa kwa jiska na de aba ofi say say wodi kan ko me ko woni capital bia no na wo de wo hu obi shop na wo hu ne ma wo mu nyina no wa twa ni nyina go krata so na wo de nam nto konya customers mienu na oba na be fa first item ne de ko na wo jiska na oba na da wodo tools no woti na de ne de ma no na oba na be fa mienu no miensa ebedi bible so me no so wo de ka be so wo se wo lodo awon ase obeti ase ama
yes
now we no so di no cry definitely you establish a business
right
what does it
right
indeed dey here ka say no cry
okay
and ade ba ko ayem mo ne say emma nipa no bebe ni nya adwuma no enye say bia adwuma ni ho adwuma wo private business bebe o me pa fa nipa bebe but nipa no fa na gidi ni wo be fa nipa na adwuma ne no o wi school ne ya na wo fa na adwuma no ebedi 6 months no no watoka ya wo kwa no kada na team
o turnover crampo
6 months no o person high 2 bedroom flat
yes
well after 1 year no we start to see mansion and where is all this money coming from
okay
what does it
okay but Mr. Otoo they wo kan nyina no sebia ye pese ye fiscally prudent sebia ye sika ye say sika be brace and you be bisa say I want you to answer this question say any project e wo dada no be the market ye 24-hour economy market enti baby a ye see market a be ye nwie ye adan na ye nto aso na nka ye nka say ye sika no bi e bitime nya sika no bi manaka na ye koye foforo kra ne sa ne ma na chiremu kakra
wo hu say me dey kan church me chiro say market na aban sisese no enye ordinary market
okay
market a the bank ishim market a the cold store
ishim okay
yeah fitting with additional facilities anywhere
okay any market
BM
all right
intino enye ordinary market keke say usi market bia keke
okay
now no so waka se bia market na wo ho no market bi o ho no yes we dada yen konkoto aso ana se bia yen sasa model na
the plan no
is completely different
okay
and at the same time no purpose wa IS7 no any new market no purpose wa IS7
and Nhyira
there ba ko me feel say was aban no hwe na ye ne yese bi dey say nkomo a industries na ye support or be dey say 24-hour market economy especially the manufacturing side
all right
I don't know what say nke ye say bia region bia no you betimi anya some hub bi specialist economic zones bi yeah industries ni na be center wo ho what does it na nyet
say industrial area
ba ko wo so ba ko wo chankro na ba ko so wo in fact say Obuase.
Okay.
Na ba ko ha.
Okay.
Basa no kra inspectors no kra mo ye dem bre. Eno ne ade a me fi say e ma ye ntimi nya the full benefit of industrialization.
Okay.
Ninke ntimi nya industrial zones already ne ye wotema. Industrial area.
Yes.
Takura dem so no me say.
Yes. Also industrial.
Yes.
Kumasi Accra so Kasi area hona.
In those areas no, you bit my expand no. Nanka ye hunu say all the industries ni na kwakwa den. Center those areas so. Na ye hwese say ye see mo electricity power calibration kurampo no. Unim say power echo and these are the tariffs echo.
Good.
Na we dey wo calibrate what just so the company go ha. Do be so in a private house wa be 10.
Or so current kakra. But I say around here that's Mr. Samolo Adu Otoo Esquire, private legal practitioner any enkomo no media budget review hon komo na ye twetwe. But my main cow say me ba na ye beton komo so but me cow say society